Alright, we're almost done with the update here. So this is my new DJI Neo, little small drone. First thing I needed to do is charge the batteries. I bought the Fly More kit, so that I charged all 3 batteries. Put one in, then I turned on the app, and now it's saying that it's done. I'll click Got It. And once the app was installed, I needed to update the app. Once the app was updated, I needed to add the Neo, and then that updated. Once that was updated, the app needed to update once again. I'm going to click on Connection. I'm going to go to the Neo. I'm going to choose this controller. I'll search for the device. Helps if I turn the device back on. Tap and hold. There we go. Little action in the blades there. Indicators that it's finding the device. And now you can use the Neo with just hand signals. You can use the Neo with some of the other controllers, but I'm going to be using it with just a smart device, a phone. And I won't need a controller. I'll just be able to hold the phone in my hand. I found it. It's now connecting, and it's pretty much that simple. It did take a few updates to get everything kind of ready, current, but now we're ready to fly. Hope this helps.